Hello everyone, welcome back to another ChatGPT AI text video. In this one, we're going to talk about plagiarism. In particular, we're going to talk about the just released today AI Text Classifier. This new plagiarism detection tool is created by the team over at openai.com. Now, OpenAI, I'll leave a link in the description below, but OpenAI is the same team that creates ChatGPT. So what's basically happened is they created an AI tool, and then they created another AI tool to determine if the content is written by their other AI tool. We are in the twilight zone, but it is what it is. So we are going to detect plagiarism. Now, I'm going to run a test for you to show you how good it is or bad it is. So let's just take a look at what I got here. I asked it to write a Macbeth summary in 500 words, which it did. And then I went further and I said, write a 500-word essay about the witches and how they impact Macbeth. So I've got my 500 or so words. We're going to copy them, and then we're going to go over here to the AI Text Classifier. Again, the link is in the description below. Now, just a heads up, this AI Text Classifier, as of today, is not that effective. I found it gets it about correct 26%, 26% of the time, according to an article on TechCrunch. So it's got a long way to go. But again, they also say that this is just one of many tools that you can use to sort of triangulate whether or not text is created by AI. So here we go. I've copy pasted it in, and I'm going to click on submit. So it's going to run its calculation. And of course, it comes back and it says, this is unclear if it is AI generated. It's absolutely useless in this stage because it's clearly, not only is it AI generated, it's AI generated by their own tool. So kind of not too useful here. Just a heads up, it can give you a number of results. You can look them up here where it says it's human written, it's AI generated, it's misclassified as human written, it's unclear, it's likely to be AI written. So there you go. This is the new tool, and it's still kind of beta and it doesn't work that good. If you're still following along and you want to use a better tool that's a little bit more fleshed out, you can use GPT-0, and I'll use this one too. And again, this link will be in the description below as well. Also a free tool. I'll Command V and copy it in there, and then I'll click results on this one. And here you go. You're going to see that not only does it say that parts may be written by AI, it also gives you examples of the parts that it thinks was written by AI. And here you go. The sentences highlighted are more likely to be written by AI in case you need to rewrite them. And it also gives you some statistics in terms of perplexity and burstiness. So these are two tools that you can use to detect plagiarism or avoid plagiarism. Let me know what you think. And if you've had any success with them, got a ton more stuff coming up. Stay tuned.